Welcome back again. In this video, I'll discuss about the nested if-else. In my previous video, I discussed about we find out the maximum value from three numbers. Okay, in this video, I'll also use this program, but I'll use the nested if-else. Okay, let's get started. First of all, define a three variable A, B, C, and another one is max. Printf enter three value, scanf and person A, B, and another one is C. Now I'll use the if else nested if else. Okay, first one is if A greater than V, then another one is if A greater than C, then max equal to A, right? Else which one is max? Max equal to V. No, it will be C. Okay, if A greater than B, then definitely A is maximum from B, right? If A is greater than C, then condition true, then it will be max A. Else it will be C. Okay, another one is else I'll use if B greater than C, then max equal to B, else max equal to C. Maybe you can't understand. First one is if A greater than B. If it's not true, first condition, this one, if A greater than B. If A not greater than, if this condition become false, then it will leave this condition, then it will come here and go inside. Now we understand that A is greater than B is greater than to A, right? Now I'll check with the C. If B greater than C, then maximum is V. Okay, if this condition false, then it will go for C, because already V is maximum to A. If B is smaller than to C, then C is greater than, right? So if this condition not true, then it will come here and print the max equal to C. Okay, just print the max value is percent %d and the max. Okay, run and build and enter three value, 5 and 7. The 7 is maximum. Okay, again, if I click 32, 22 and 1, 32 is maximum. Another checking, if I press 22, 34 and 78, 78 is max. Okay, that was the nested if else. Okay, thank you very much.